Hello everyone, we're going to be doing a review on Green Giant Simply Steam Garden Vegetable Medley in light sauce. Oh my god, this stuff is good. The sauce that they use is really good. It's good for one serving for one person. You put it in for 5 minutes and you're good to go in the microwave. I definitely give this a thumbs up and you should try it. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next review. I'll make sure I have some pictures from the front and the back of the package. Have a wonderful day!